Prepare a subbase of Type 1 compacted stone to a depth of 100 mm. This is formed by a layer of stone compacted to 50 mm, followed by a second layer of stone which is also compacted down to 50 mm. Once the subbase has been laid, a bed of ProPave mortar and aggregate can be applied to a minimum depth of 30 mm. For driveways and heavy traffic areas, we recommend a 4:1 ratio of mortar to aggregate due to the additional load. For domestic patios, a 6:1 ratio of mortar to aggregate is sufficient. Wherever possible, the mortar, aggregate and water should be mixed with a mechanical mixer. However, mixing with only a trowel can be done if required. Once mixed, the mortar should hold together when formed into a ball. Apply the mortar to the substrate and level to a minimum of 30 mm. If you're using a 4:1 ratio, then the minimum depth should be 60 mm. Once the bedding mortar has been laid, a coat of Everscape ProPave should be applied to the reverse of tiles before fitting them into the mortar. The tile should be bedded into the mortar whilst both the mortar and slurry are still wet. Add a bag of Everscape ProPave to 7 litres of water and mechanically mix for 3 to 5 minutes until a smooth, lump-free consistency is formed. Apply the ProPave to the back of the tile using a roller before placing the tile into the mortar bed. Where required, use a white rubber mallet to level the tiles.